Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Hey, this is Shivani and you're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina. Cross your legs, lengthen your spine and loosen your neck. Relax your feet and thighs. Exhale and slowly bow forward with your arms still extended. Rest your arms, hands and forehead on the mat. Hold for 5 minutes. To release, reverse into a seated position. Lie flat on your back and separate legs. Keep your arms at your side and your palms facing up. Relax. Close your eyes and breathe deeply and slowly. With each breath, let the tension, stress and worry exit your body. You can practice this asana for about 3 to 5 minutes. Hold on to your heels. Rest the top of your head on the floor. Hold heels firmly, inhale and lift the hips up towards the ceiling. Press the forehead as close to the knees as possible. Breathe and hold for 4 to 8 breaths. Slowly exhale and lower hips. Lie down with your head on the mat. Swing your legs over your head and rest your toes on the floor. Stay for 10 breaths. Slowly swing your legs the other way, keeping your head back. Kneel and sit back on your heels. Twist arms as demonstrated. Place your right hand in front of your left and bring the palms together with your thumbs pointing towards the tip of your nose. Hold for 5 breaths, then reverse your arm and hold for 5 breaths.